Hello everyone, thank you for joining with Azure with Umesh YouTube channel. So today I'm going to demonstrate how we can disable Defender for Servers Plan 2 at resource level. So first we need to understand at which scope level that we can enable and disable Defender for Servers Plan 2. So I'm not going to discuss about the Plan 1, so I am focusing on the Plan 2. So in this table you can see we can enable Defender for Servers Plan 2 for virtual machines at subscription level, as you can see here, and we cannot enable it on resource level. It is no. And of course, in the final row, we can disable it at resource level. It is yes. But in terms of Azure portal, you can see this is one of my subscription. So I already enable Defender for Servers Plan 2 at subscription level. But I am not able to control over the resource level, right? So if we enable the Defender for Servers Plan 2, we are not able to control the resources that apply in the resource Defender for Servers Plan 2, right? So in such scenarios, so sometimes we have testing, staging, UAT servers in the same subscription. So we don't need to enable Defender for Servers Plan 2 for those servers, right? In those scenarios, such cases, so we don't have any flexibility to enable or disable at the subscription level in the Azure portal. But in the documentation, it's saying we can disable it for resource level. But in the portal, there's no such option to do that, right? Okay. So today I'm going to demonstrate how we can do that. So this is my subscription. So I have two servers in my subscription. This subscription, these are the two virtual machines in this same subscription. Let's check each server Defender status from this portal. So we have REST API documentation here. Okay, these are the operations that we can update, delete, get, and list operation that we can do using this API request. So I'm going to focus about delete, get, and update operation. So first of all, let's check the current status of the Defender for Servers plan for each server. I have two servers, so I copied one of the server resource ID here. Then I'm going to get operation here. So you can log in with your credentials here, and then you need to put the resource ID of the service, one of the virtual machine here. I'm putting like this, and then the pricing name should be virtual machines. You can copy it from here and put it here. Then we can check this particular virtual machine Defender for Servers Plan 2010, the free tier. So as you can see, currently it's Defender for Plan 2 is enabled. So in the subscription level, we enable for two servers. Let's check other server as well. Same thing. Copy the resource ID. Then check the second server status. We can run it here. That also P2. So our goal is simple. So we need to make sure one of the servers plan should be free tier. So selectively we need to disable. Let's say we have 10 or 12, whatever the count virtual machine in our subscription. We need to disable few of the virtual machines P2 to free tier. So I'm going to disable one of the server Defender for Server Plan 2 to free tier. To do that, so we need to go to the update operation here. So we have multiple operation, as I mentioned earlier. This is the update operation. Similarly, just put the pricing name as virtual machine. So let's say I need to disable the Defender for Servers Plan 2 in this virtual machine. This one, copy it and go to update. And the scope ID, just put the resource ID here. And one more important thing here, you need to put the properties pricing tier as free. So currently it's P2. Now we need to change it to free tier. This is the most important part of this request. So once we put this value in the body tags, just run it here. Response code 200. Now it's showing as free. Okay, let's validate that. Just go back to the previous one, get operation. So we need to check this server current plan version. To do that, just same thing, paste the resource ID here, and let's check the current pricing plan of the Defender for servers. As you can see, it's already changed to free tier. That means we can selectively disable the Defender for servers plan to at resource level. If we want to check the previous other virtual machine pricing tier as well, at the same time, let's check that. It should be at the same pricing P2 level, not free. You can see it is remains as P2, and selectively we can disable the Defender for servers plan too. Okay, let's say now you need to revert back to the previous status of the plan. That means you need to enable the Defender for servers plan to the virtual machine again. Okay, in such scenarios, what you can do is you just need to delete the pricing component from the virtual machine that you enable the free tier previously. To do that, you need to go to the delete operation. So I will share this link with you so you can navigate each operation here. I am now going to delete operation. So now you need to delete the free pricing tier from the virtual machine that we enable the free tier. Okay, just copy the resource ID here, then paste it in here, delete operation. Similarly, just put the pricing name as virtual machine and just click on run. Okay, it's ran successfully. Now check the particular virtual machine pricing tier now. Okay, now it should be plan 2 again. Yeah, you can revert back to the previous status if you want. That is you can how you can enable and disable at resource level. So basically you just need to use this REST API. There are multiple ways to do that, like using PowerShell command, CLI commands, but this is the straightforward method. You can use the UI of the documentation, REST API documentation, to do this operation, right? Anyone can do this without any issues. So that's it for today. So if you have any questions regarding this, just put a comment down below. I am more than happy to get back to you. Thank you.